Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refund on DoorDash, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So where do you go to request a refund? Okay, you want to go to your DoorDash and locate the orders tab using this left navigation bar right here. And then what you want to do is click on history, guys. Okay, and then you can look at the different orders, the completed slash canceled orders. Okay guys, look, listen, you can only issue refunds for completed or canceled orders. Okay, guys? So what you want to first do is find the order you want to refund for. You can either use these filters or you can search it manually and then click on it and open the order details. Here you're going to see this request refund option on the top next to dasher feedback, guys. You want to click on that and then you can request for the refund. You just click on process refund. Now listen, guys, for this order, the reason was selected order arrived late and got a full refund. So you can process that refund like that. Now, some refunds can be processed immediately. You'll see a success message like that in the right upon submission, and the refund amount will be applied to the invoice for the current period. But in other cases, it might take a while, and you'll need to provide some more information to process a refund. Like in this scenario, you'll be redirected to another page where you're gonna have to create a case for the support team to review the request, usually within 24 hours. The support team responds. So, and guys, I want you to know one more thing, guys. Refunds can be granted for multiple refunds, many different reasons for the same order, but it's going to be capped at 100% of the value. So if your order was $50, you'll only get a refund of up to $50, but you can select multiple reasons to increase your case. You can select any relevant refund reasons, guys, and just press next, and you're gonna get a refund. Usually, if your case is genuine, you're gonna get a refund, guys. Don't worry. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment. If you want, you can subscribe.